So you guys want to know exactly how I made that massage candle in this video that got over 16,000 views? Well, keep watching because I'm going to be sharing that recipe with you in this video, and it's so easy you can create your first one as soon as right now. Hello guys, my name is Yaz. I'm the owner of Mobile Massage Store where I create natural skin-loving products designed to make your skin feel absolutely wonderful. With over 12 years of experience as a massage therapist, I've worked with all skin types and seen firsthand how the right oils, butters, and natural ingredients can transform skin health. Now I share my expertise through my handmade skincare line and easy DIY tutorials so that you can pamper your skin naturally. Today, I'm going to be walking you through how to make a soy wax massage candle that not only fills your room with a beautiful aroma, but also melts into a warm, nourishing body oil you can pour directly onto your skin. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make one safely, why I use soy wax over beeswax, and the skin-loving benefits of each ingredient in this recipe. Are you guys ready? Okay guys, so what even is a massage candle? A massage candle is a specialty candle made with skin-safe oils, butters, and wax that burn at a lower temperature than traditional candles. When you light it, the wax melts into a warm, soothing massage oil you can pour directly onto the skin. And before you think, won't that burn me? No, and here is why. Traditional candles often use beeswax or paraffin, which have much higher melting points. 100% soy wax melts at a lower temperature, so the liquid wax feels warm and luxurious, never scalding. Plus, the melted wax isn't just wax. It's actually a blend of skin conditioning oils and butters that nourish your skin. Ingredients you'll need. Here's my equal parts recipe for this massage candle. You're gonna need 100 grams of soy wax, 100 grams of sweet almond oil, and 100 grams of unrefined shea butter, 4.5 grams of skin-safe essential oils of your choice. Here is why I choose soy wax over beeswax. Soy wax is my go-to for massage candles for three main reasons. Lower melting point around 120 to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe to pour on skin. Number two, it's smoother texture when blended with butters and oils, no sticky or tacky feel. And number three, vegan and eco-friendly. Soy wax is plant-based, renewable, and biodegradable. Beeswax, while wonderful for lip balms and salves, has a much higher melting point and can solidify too quickly on the skin, which isn't ideal for massage. Here are some benefits of almond oil for the skin. Sweet almond oil is one of my favorite massage candle ingredients because it's rich in vitamin E and fatty acids, which protect the skin barrier. It helps reduce dryness and flakiness. It glides beautifully during massage without feeling greasy. It's lightweight enough to absorb well, but still keeps skin moisturized for hours. Here are some benefits of shea butter for skin. Shea butter is a skin superhero, deeply moisturizes and softens rough or dry patches, contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that help soothe irritation, creates a protective barrier to lock in moisture to your skin. Here's an important tip, guys. Don't overheat the shea butter. High heat can destroy its vitamins and make it grainy in texture. We'll be melting it gently with the wax so that it stays nice and smooth. And I want to talk about choosing the right essential oils. You can use essential oils or skin-safe fragrance oils, but remember, not all fragrance oils are skin-safe. So I want you to check your supplier's IFRA usage rates. For massage candles, keep your essential oil concentration between 1 to 2% of total weight. In this recipe, that's 4.5 grams total for a perfect balance of scent and safety. Some popular massage candle fragrances include lavender for relaxation, ylang ylang for a romantic touch, and peppermint for a cooling, invigorating feel. And I want you guys to use peppermint sparingly. Hey guys, if you're enjoying this video so far and can't wait to try making your own massage candle, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my fun and informative skincare and wellness videos. Now back to the video. Okay guys, so are you ready to learn how to make a massage candle? Here it is. I want you guys to take your soy wax and melt it in a double boiler over low heat until fully liquefied. Then you're going to add in your shea butter and stir in until melted. And remember to keep the heat gentle so that you don't lose its nutrients. The next thing I want you to do is remove it from the heat and stir in the almond oil. Allow the mixture to cool slightly before adding your essential oils. This helps preserve their therapeutic benefits. Then you'll pour into a heat-safe massage candle container with a cotton wick, something like this. And then you'll allow it to set completely before trimming the wick. That is it. Now you may ask, how do you even use a massage candle? And that is a great question. First, you'll light the candle and let it burn for about 10 to 15 minutes until a pool of warm oil forms. I want you to blow out the flame and test the temperature on your wrist. It should feel warm and not hot. Then pour a small amount into your palm or directly onto the skin and massage it in. Here are some extra tips for the perfect massage candle. Always use 100% soy wax for skin safety. Avoid coloring agents that aren't cosmetic safe. Store your massage candles in a cool place to prevent separation, and keep a lid on them to preserve the scent. And that is it, your very own DIY soy wax massage candle that melts into a rich, skin nourishing oil. If you try this recipe, leave a comment and tell me what scent blend you chose. I love hearing your creations. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who would love a cozy, spa-like experience right at home. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.